Hello, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. If you're trying to create a healthier home and reduce toxins without making life complicated, you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing 2 simple household tips that I use in my own home. They're made with all natural ingredients, they work incredibly well, and they help keep harsh chemicals out of the air your family breathes every day. Well, let's jump right in. We're going to be making a DIY essential oil carpet cleaner. This first recipe is one of my favorites because it's so simple, yet it's very effective. You'll need 2 cups of baking soda and 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. You can choose your favorite essential oil, but here are some great options. I like to use Purify, Eucalyptus, Abode, or Lavender. To make it, just add the baking soda to a bowl. Then you'll add 15 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. Today I'm using Purify because I love how it gets rid of odors. Stir it well to evenly distribute the oil. And now that you have your carpet cleaner made, you'll just sprinkle the mixture generously over your carpet. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours and then vacuum it up. It helps to absorb odors, freshens the room, and leaves your home smelling amazing without synthetic fragrances. Here's a bonus tip for you. I've used this on mattresses before. It's such a great way to freshen and deodorize them all naturally. You know, there's times when those mattresses really need it. For storage, I recommend keeping this mixture in a glass jar to keep it fresh. Okay, for my next tip, let me show you a natural wood polish that's gentle, effective, and brings new life to your wood furniture. Many of the store-bought wood polishes rely on oils to clean and revive the wood, but they often include unnecessary chemicals. This recipe gives you the same beautiful results, all naturally. So here are the ingredients: a 1/4 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup vinegar, and just 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. I love to use lemon for wood furniture. Some other great oil choices would be wild orange or maybe Arborvitae. Add the olive oil and the vinegar and about 15 drops of essential oil together, and then pour it into a glass spray bottle. You can use a funnel to make sure and get it into the glass spray bottle. Make sure to shake it really well before you use it, and then spray it onto a microfiber cloth, not directly onto the wood. Then wipe the wood and surface clean. This works beautifully on tables, chairs, and other wood furniture. You can repeat it every 2 to 3 months or whenever your furniture needs a little refresh. Small swaps like these really add up. Reducing toxins in your home supports cleaner air, fewer irritants, and a calmer environment for your family. And the best part, you don't need a cabinet full of products. You just need a few simple ingredients and CPTG certified pure tested grade essential oils. If you're loving ideas like this and want even more simple ways to use essential oils in your everyday life, I've got something for you. I'm sharing 100 uses for essential oils. It's a guide and it's a free resource for you. You'll find the link in the description below, so be sure to grab yours. Thanks so much for joining me here today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And I will see you in the next one.